Hey everyone, I'm also testing this Nutone Verandah Deluxe. I picked this up at Habitat a few weeks ago. And I'm finally getting around to testing it. So this is the light kit that came with it. It looks like a Casablanca type light kit. One of those big globe ones. I'm not sure if it is. But this is what it came with. And here's what the light looks like. And it draws 0.63 amps. So I'm going to do the light. High. Okay. Set it to low. And I'm going to start it up. Alright. It draws 0.3 amps on factory low. Alright, and I'm going to go up. Medium draws 0.45. And here is high. And high draws 0.57 amps. There is a little bit of some wobble to this fan, but it's getting late, so I didn't really have the time to balance it, so... Alright. Time for spin down. And I'm going to set it to reverse and low. Reverse. And switch housing came a little loose, and I just tightened that. Okay. That was a little abrupt. I'm just trying to treat the bearings a little bit to see if I can loosen them up, but in the meantime, here's reverse low. Takes a little bit more current to start this thing up. And it's drawing 0.33 amps on low reverse. Medium reverse draws 0.52. And pull chain is hard to work with, but here is high reverse, and it draws 0.62. So basically on reverse it draws a little more current than forward air movement. Alright. Now it's time to do the decade box. And I'm going to see where it starts and what kind of wall control will work on this. Alright, here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Did that start on 5? Nope, it was struggling there. 6. Okay, it starts on 6 with 0.27. I'm not sure if the bearings are stiff. They might be. Or if it's just takes more to start this fan. A little bit of a pig here. 0.27, and here's 7 with 0.3, so 7 is spot on to factory low. So maybe it does take a little more to get this thing going. All right, here's 8 with 0.34. So this is, so far, I might be able to use an 8, 12, 20, because this is a functional low, and it's wobbling. Okay, here's 9 with 0.37. 0.37 on 9. 10 microfarads with the capacitor box is right at 0.4. 11 with 0.43. 12, 0.45, which is spot on to factory medium. 13, 0.47. 14.49. 15.5, 16.51, 17.52, 18.53, 19.54, and 20 with also 0.54. Only a little bit of a difference between 20 microfarads and high. I have one control that's got like a 7, 9, and 16. That's kind of a weird, that's an odd value, but I might have to go with this. Seven, 9, and what 16 was. Might be able to use that one for if I wanted a 4-speed. And I get somewhat of a difference of 9.54. I'm at 24 with 0.56. I'm at 0.57 on high. 0.57 on 29. 30 still leveling out. Oh, I'm just starting to go over at 34. I'm just starting to creep over, so I'm safe with any control, but yeah, I might have to use a 6, 8, 14 if I wanted to use that, because it doesn't start on 5. I'll see what I can do with this to work with it. But, yeah, all right. Let's see what the solid state variable control does. Okay, 0.22, and it's like at 2 o'clock position, and it's before it started. 0.26. Pretty quiet though, because so I could use a solid state to get a good amount of speeds. 0.29, 0.34. It's a quiet motor. Very faint buzz and hum. 0.38, 0.44, 0.48, 0.52, 0.55, and here's high, and it reads 0.55. And just feel a little breeze, but I'm going to do an airflow since I forgot to. Yeah, I can feel something, but it's definitely low category of your typical residential type spinner motor in the fans, so. All right, last test is 0 to high. I'm going to see what the inrush current is and see what it drops to. 0.56. And no inrush. Yeah, it does not inrush current. Doesn't really jump, so other than that, that is all I have for this Nutone Verandah Deluxe. And I'll see you all next time with more fans with Metal Pete here. And thanks for watching, y'all.